Was on the video. Today we have every single pistol in Bone Lab. Here. Now, well, every single pistol that I have unlocked so far. And we are going to be killing forward with every single pistol. Starting off with the stapler. This one's funny, and it's kind of my favorite. I love it. Oh my, it's so hard to aim with though. It's just hilarious. You know, next is the PTO. This is my favorite weapon because I honestly just like silencers. I think they look cool. They sound cool. You know what I mean? Where'd I put the stapler? I want to throw a stapler. Stapler despawned, I think. Wait, oh my god. Bro. No way. No. Oh my. Are you dead? Are you dead? Nope, you're not dead. So the PG outrose. 2 headshots. He's down. Why do I keep doing that? They're loaded already. I don't know. I think that killed him. One shot. I think he's dead. Yep. I killed him 1 shot. Now this has a very short magazine, but it is also very powerful. As you can see, I just killed him 1 shot to the head. Okay, there's Stapler. Get over here with those guys. Next. Oh, I got 2 of them. Okay then. 1 shot. Just like this gun. Very powerful. But doesn't have a lot of ammo. Next. Sorry, Ford. There we go. Is that 1 shot? Okay. Yeah. I didn't think it would. I did not think it would. There we go. There you have it. Oh, I could totally disconnect it again. Okay, hold on.